Okay, here's a quick how-to for making these what I learned pages. Just make a new project in Illustrator and make sure that it's letter size, so it's 8.5 by 11. And I found out that you can set it to be RGB right from here, so you don't have to worry about printing later. So click OK, and then I'm just going to drop some text in here. So you already know how to resize text, that's easy, but I hit Control B thinking it would make it bold, but you can highlight it and up here select bold. And you can also highlight it and change the font size, just like you would on Google Docs or anything like that. There. Okay, now I'm going to place a picture. I took a picture of my finished piece, and this is how these what I learned bits will go. You'll add a picture of the piece that you finished. So you just go ahead and place it, and like before, it's just huge. So I'm going to resize it real fast, holding Shift so it doesn't get all out of aspect. Okay, but I don't need the wall and my name on here, so with the image selected, I'll click on Mask here, and then when I move these little handlebars, it'll change what part of the file Illustrator displays, and it's like a mask. It's like you're adding this square-shaped mask over the picture. And so for this, it works great. That's easy. Rather than erasing or anything, you just mask it, and then that's all we got. And then once I reselect it, I can just move this like normal. Yeah, and here I'm both clicking and typing to add text, and I'm also clicking and dragging to make text boxes. That's pretty easy. So what I want to show you now is, you can see where it says repeatable there, and it's going on top of my picture. I could hit enter to get that repeatable out of the way, right, and just like type it, but that's going to take too much work. So I select the image, and under Object, Text Wrap, click Make. And then, with the image still selected, go to Object and Arrange and hit Bring to Front. So it's going to put that on top of all my text. And now you can see the text is going to wrap around my image no matter where I put it. And so this is really convenient because then you can just place images just as they are, and you can resize and everything, and it shows up just like it should be, just like you'd expect. This is also a way to make your text look a little longer than it actually is. You can just put a big image right in the middle of there, and it looks like it's half a page when it's not actually. So then the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to save it with my name somewhere where I know where it is. Save it as an Adobe Illustrator file. I'm going to put it in Benches, and then I'm also going to save it as a PDF as well, because the PDF is what you'd like email to someone else or you would upload. It's just a much smaller, easier to view file. So there you go.